Welcome back to the channel. Right now we have nice and juicy iPhone 11 that we're going to be unboxing pretty shortly. May have to speed this up, but let's just dig straight into it. There we go. And just by the color, you can tell exactly which color I got. Definitely got the green one. Nice and beautiful. Let's open up this package. You hear that? Nice crisp plastic. Just like Christmas. Get out of here. This is a nice, beautiful box. To be honest, I'm pretty excited to be back into the Apple ecosystem. I haven't had an iPhone since the 6S. So I switched over to Galaxy S8, S9, and then the S10. And now I'm finally back with the 11. They're really going all out and unlocking most of the device's capabilities. Take a moment of silence. There you go. Get that out of here. Wow. So this is very beautiful. If you're coming from a Galaxy S10, this is going to be a perfect size upgrade. It's going to feel a tiny bit wider than what you're used to, but it is slightly bigger screen, and bigger is better. So let's get this started and see what's in the box. Gotta get me a case for this. So you get your normal headphones. I wish these were Airpods. I won't be using these. I already have the Galaxy Buds, so hopefully these will work. Yes, sir. I can't reverse charge them anymore, but I don't use that feature too much anyways. I'm just really waiting until the iPhone can reverse charge. Then you could steal everybody's phone charge when you're low on battery, and not just people stealing yours. So you got the normal cable. If you want a better adapter, you're definitely going to want to buy like a 40-watt charger or something, so you can charge faster. There's nothing else that comes in the box. I got the 128 gig. Let's look at the screen. Set this up real quick. But there you have it. Let's see if we can. This is the latest iPhone 11. This is what it looks like. The color is a little bit different than what it looked like on the website online. The camera is pretty nice. It's a little simplistic. When I saw the iPhone X Pro, to be honest, I really like that design. When you see it in person, it looks so much better. Here's a close-up. This glass right here, it's like clear. So it's very nice and bubbly. Flash. Hopefully this looks like the microphone, so hopefully this has that zoomed in microphone effect. Like the X Pro. That's something I really wanted. If you want to shoot videos straight from your iPhone, that's definitely going to help you. So it's great that there's little holes for that. And then I'm sure we'll definitely see an update later on this year. Hopefully it'll come with Deep Fusion. I'm not sure if this one does, but we'll have to wait and see. So other than that, this is the iPhone 11. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be posting more tech about Tesla, phones, gadgets, you name it. If you want to see anything in particular, just drop a comment for me, and we'll see you in the next video. Deuces.